how to fix Instagram login easy and fast. So to fix this problem is very easy. Just go to settings on your phone, go to the apps and go to apps right here, and then all what you have to do on this page is scroll until you find the Instagram. Click on it and then go down to this open by default option. Click here on supported link and make sure that the supported links are like this, and then click here on open supported links on this app. Click always allow, and then go back, click on the power usage details and make sure to enable the power consumption alert. Go back. Now the last step, click on storage, click here and click here on clear cache and go back, click on force stop, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.